Hey there, it's William Hopper from Q4Travel, and we're here in Williamsburg, Virginia at the Williamsburg Lodge. We've had a one-night stay in the South Guest House. Very nice.
Once you check in, you do that in the main building. The lobby has a colonial feel, quite fitting for Williamsburg. The lodging rooms are housed in several buildings. There is also a centrally located conference center, which is really what this property is all about.
We're in the South Guest House. There is the Curtis Guest House, the Ashby Guest House. There is the Lodge. There's the Nicholas Guest House, the Tyler Guest House. Plenty of parking. We're over in Tazewell Hall parking garage, so Tazewell Hall probably has some rooms as well. So,
walking down the hallway to my room in the South Guest House, it feels cozy with the shiplap and art on the walls.
let's have a look at this room. This is I would say it's probably a queen room. Very classic, poster bed, two-poster bed. This is as Williamsburgy as it gets, I think. Wooden floors. That's pretty contemporary. Outside, brick floor, brick room building. So the wood, I think HGTV calls it shiplap now, but that's all kind of classic, beadboard American style, early American style. Some contemporary artwork, interestingly enough. Let's go. Oh, look at the two cute little side tables. Those are classic all-Americana side tables there. Yeah, the modern lamps, of course. And what do we have lamp-wise? We have USB-A here, 110 outlet here, a real phone. So each side has that same lamp, AC controlled there. Hardwood floor, so we're on the first floor, so it's kind of noisy. I don't know what it's going to be like tonight if they have the same noise upstairs. So let's see what they have in here. Okay, there is a little coffee maker, and then there is a refrigerator there, which is nice. So that control there. So all in all, good. Let's have a look at the closet. So let's go have a look at the closet. Oh, nice big cedar lined closet with an ironing board and an iron up there, and it looks like a hairdryer, extra pillows, nice wooden hangers. I don't see a safe. There's no safe in the room. So kind of interesting, just sort of old style, old school there. I'll have a look at the bathroom. Bathroom here, a nice shower space. It's just a very simple bathroom. The toilet is a little old, and I will say it, first thing I noticed was the wear and tear and marking in the toilet. So the bowl is old American standard. I don't think it's as old as Williamsburg itself, but nice modern shower though, and sort of modern tiles there. So let's go in and talk about the shower. What's really nice is that the shower controls are here, and then on the other side is where the shower is. Now we have plenty of hot water. Matter of fact, up here it was scalding almost. It was just so much. But down below, right about there, was perfect. So water pressure is great. It has, I believe, Speakman. There is product on the wall here, a place to put things. The conditioner was almost out, but there was plenty of that, and it smelled pretty good. And it's called the Spa. And that was what was the bar soap that was in on the sink too. Was a nicely equipped bathroom. These towels were super soft and really nice. So really points there. While overall it's a little rough and tumble. This is all modern here. This is all new. That's a little rough and tumble. A little bit of mold and stuff in the background there in the corners. Could be a little bit more cleaned up. So this probably putting a little dirt back in there in the corner too. A scrub brush could really help. But in general, the place is pretty good. So this is a room in the south wing of the Williamsburg Lodge.
The lobby of the Williamsburg Lodge is quite nice, and unlike so many these days, it's a real lobby with a nice restaurant and bar off to the side of it, not in the middle of it. As a Marriott Rewards member, I got 2 large cups of coffee for free as part of the benefit for belonging. So I stopped by the cupboard for a cup and picked up a croissant, a chocolate croissant, for a light breakfast. Of course, there is a hotel gift shop with quaint items like these Briar Carolers, a classic Colonial Christmas decoration. Location is everything, and the Williamsburg Lodge is steps away from the historic area, so you do not need your car. Just park it in their garage, which is included in the hotel stay, and stroll to your heart's content around historic Williamsburg, Virginia.
A little noisy. The property's been around for a little bit. Well, it's been somewhat updated. It's not perfectly modern. Our room was queen single. Just real nice, real simple. Wooden floors, which were noisy, and the wooden floors upstairs were noisy. But other than that, great water pressure overall. I'm going to give this hotel a 2 thumbs up.
The Williamsburg Lodge, an AC hotel by Marriott here in Williamsburg, Virginia.
Thank you for watching this episode of Q4Travel as we took a look at the Colonial Williamsburg Lodge. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up as we have given this quaint conference hotel a thumbs up. Until next time.